Hello my dear students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher. We will start our today's session. Today I am going to teach you a number which is used worldwide. Okay, a numbers which is used worldwide, that is international number. Okay, today we are going to see the international number system. I'll tell you one example. For example, if I said that I have brought one new car, that is 2 million. Okay, that I have purchased for 2 million. What is this 2 million? Do you know? Yes students, what is this 2 million? You will think, what is this 2 million rupees? You will be confused. This is nothing but we use millions in international place value. When we want to read this number, 2 million is used in international place value. We have learned in our last session. I will teach you with the comparison of Indian place value chart and international place value chart. As you everyone know, we have learned Indian place value chart, which we use in this ones period, ones, tens, 100, in thousand period we use 1000, 10,000, and in lakhs period, lakh, 10 lakhs, and in crore period, crore and 10 crore. Ones is having 1 digit, tens 2 digit, 100 3 digit, 1000 4, 10,000 5, lakh 6, 10 lakh 7, crore 8 and 10 crore 9. Okay. Now just see in the international place value chart what is the difference. In this periods, 3 periods are there only. Okay. Ones period from the right side, ones period, thousands period, and the third is millions period. Okay, and what are the place value of this international numbers? In ones period, ones is there, tens is there, and 100 is there. And in thousand period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. See, exactly the change is happening here. I will tell you. See, here 1000, here also 1000, 10,000, 10,000. But we are not 100,000 means 1 lakh only. So, but what we have did in Indian, we have converted into lakhs. But here in international, we have to take in thousands period only. Then after lakh, what is that? 10 lakhs. So, where we are converting 10 lakhs into million. So, are you getting? 10 lakhs means 1 million. And after that, we are using crore, and in international, they are using 10 million and 100 million. So these are the million periods, millions, 10 millions and 100 period. 100 millions. So same. Ones is 1 digit, tens is 2 digit, 100 is 3 digit number, 1004, 10,005, 100,006, million is having 7 digit number. Keep in your mind. And 8 digit number means 10 millions, and 9 digit means 100 millions. Now I will teach you with one example with Indian and international. For example, I will take one number of 8 digit number. Okay, this is one example. Now what I'll do, I'll place this number in the place value chart of Indian place value chart as well as in international place value chart. So start from right side, 7, 3, 2, 8, 4, 8, 8, 4. Okay. The same number I will place here also. 7, 3, 2, 8, 4, 8, 8 and 4. Now when I have placed this number in Indian place value chart, how we will read this number? We read as a 4 crore 88 lakh 48,237. Isn't it? Yes. But at the same time, when you want to read same number in international place value chart, how you have to read? Can you see here 4? In which period 4 is there? 4 and also 8 also. Okay, 48 millions here. Now just observe, listen properly. 848,000 together we have to take 848,237. I'll repeat once again. 48 millions 848,237. Are you getting? Now if I want to write this number in the standard form, what we will do? We will write 4, 88, 48, 237. Why I have written in this way? You can see we give the comma by seeing in the place value of periods. From right side, after ones period, comma is there, and after thousands period, again after thousands period, and after lakhs period. Getting? Same if I want to write this number, here only I'll mention. See, 48, 482, 237. This is Indian. This is international. International means we use these numbers worldwide. Okay. Now see, what is the difference in this both the numbers are same, but we read in a different way. We use millions in international number, we use lakhs in Indian place value. Okay. Yeah, just see here. Now see the difference between both the numbers. The difference comes in giving commas. In Indian place value, first we'll give after 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. But in international place value, we give comma after 3 digit, in the same way. Are you getting? So in international, ones period is having 3 digit, thousand period also having 3 digit, and millions period also having 3 digit. Okay, are you getting the difference between Indian and international? I hope it is clear. Yes, isn't it interesting? Yes, very interesting. Just try to understand the difference between Indian and international. Now we will solve the examples of international place value numbers, how to write inverse, and how to make standard form through the exercise. Okay. Now we will start with the exercise 1.8. Everyone open your canopy. I'll give the time. Open your canopy. In last session, I have explained you this place value, international place value chart. Now we have revised in short. See the international place value chart. I have explained this again with the comparison. I have explained. I asked you to solve this 2 question by yourself. Once again I will solve here. You just cross check your answers whether you have written correct or no. Now the question is 72, 456, 234 is read as. Now this is international number system. So what will come? First 3 numbers will come in ones period. Second 3 numbers will come in thousand period. Then next 3 numbers will come in millions period. So how we will read this number? 72 millions. So write here 72 million. The next is, can you see the 3 numbers? 4, 5, 6. So 456,000. 456,000, and the last number is 234. 234. 134. I have written big handwriting, so I couldn't write in line. I hope you have written properly in line, in one line. Okay, the same. See, first 3 digit in ones period, next 3 digit in thousands period, and next digits will come in millions period. Now how we will read this number? We read this number as 10 million. So write here 10 million. The next is 346,000. 346,000. And the last is 359. So write again 300. What is 359? So write correct spelling. Okay, till here we have completed. I hope you have written correct. Now we will move to the next, that is our exercise 1.8. Okay, let us start our exercise 1.8. What is the first question? Write the following numbers in the international place value chart and their number names. They had given simple numbers, so we have to make these place these numbers in international place value chart. This is one question. And what they said, write their number name. Two things we have to do. First is place the numbers in international place value chart, and the second is write the number name of given number. I will start with the first question. What is the question? 832432. Okay, now I will write this number in standard form, that is international place value system. Okay, do you remember how we give in international place value system? Commas will come after 3 digit. So comma 432. Okay, this is standard form. Now I will write this. Now we will place this in international place value chart. How you will make the chart? See, three places are there. First is ones period, okay, and second is thousands period, and the last is millions period. Do you remember now, students? Yes. Now place the numbers, first 3 digits from the right side place into ones period, okay, and the next 3 digit place into thousands period. I am writing in short, you have to write in full properly. Okay, now we will write this number name. Okay, now see, can you read this number? 832, where it is? In thousand period. So write 832. What you will write? 832,000. Don't forget to write this 1000. This is the different. Okay. Now what is remaining here? 432. So write as it is. 432. Okay, are you getting? You will write in one line. Here I want to explain more sums, so I am writing in this way, but you write properly in one line only this number name. Okay, clear, students? Now I will explain you one more sum for you. Okay, 6 digit. Now I will take fourth one. Fourth one is having 7 digit number. Okay, so I will take that number 7210492. First write the number in a standard form. Okay, so I will write, see, 3 digit after comma, here will come, again 3 digit after comma, here will come. So I'll give here comma, 7 after and 210 after and 492. Getting? Is it clear? Yes students. Now we have to place this number in place value chart in the same way. Okay? Ones period, thousands period and millions period. Okay? You will write full here. So place the numbers. First 3 digit will come in ones period. From right, 210 will come in thousands period, and in million period they had given only 7. So we will place 7 in millions period. Okay. Now the number name. Read the number name. Okay. Can you read? What is this? 7. So how we will read? 7 million. So write here 7 million. 210,000. Together we have to take students. Keep in your mind. 210,000. 210,000. And the last is 492. 492. Is it clear? Full stop. First letter only start. First word start with a capital. First letter, remaining all you have to write in small letter only. Okay? Is it clear? Very easy. I'll solve again 2 more sums for you. So you will understand easily. 7th one. See, I am trying to solve which are hard. Okay? Yes. Now see, after 3 digit and remaining 2 digit. So I'll write here 56 comma 003 comma 200. Now I will place this number in the place value chart. Ones, thousands and millions. Now see, start from right side. 200 in ones period. The next 3 digit will come in thousands period. So 003. See, do they have any value? Before 300 is means what will come? Only 3. It's okay. You will write like in the same way. Again you will be confused. So write 56 in millions period. Are you getting what we are doing? Just I am placing the numbers in the place value chart. Which place value chart? International place value chart. What is the international place value chart? Numbers will divide into 3 numbers. That is 3 numbers from right side. 3 numbers will come in ones period. Next 3 numbers will come in thousands and next will come in millions. Now I will write number name. Now red has this number is 56 million. So write here FIR 56 million. Now see 003. How we will write 003? No, only 3. 3000. So write only 3000. And last is 200. Clear? Easy? Yes, very easy. Now we have solved 7th one. Now I will solve 9th one for you. Okay, what is 9th one? 58541123. Now I will write this number in the standard form, that is international place value system, after 3 digit and 2 digit. So 58 comma 541 comma 123. Place the numbers in the place value chart. Ones period, thousands period and millions period. Now in ones period 123, then in thousands period 541 and in millions period 58. So now we will write the number name of given number. How we will read this number? 58 million. So write here 58 million 541,000 123 Clear till here? Yes, very easy. Last one more I will solve for you, that is 10 number. Okay? What is the 10th number? 6 4 6 3 1 2 4 1 4. Let me write first this number in the standard form by giving the commas. See, where will come from right side you have to see. After 3 digit, after 3 digit, after 3 digit. So I'll write 646 comma 312 comma 414. Okay. Now we will place these numbers in the place value chart. Which place value chart, students? Yes. Which place value chart? Yes, international place value chart. Start from right side, from here. Place the numbers in place value chart. First 3 digit 414 in ones period, next 3 in thousands period, and next 3 in millions period. Now we will write the number name of this number. Now can you read? 646 million. Together we have to read. That is very important. Keep in your mind. 646 million, and the next is 312. Right here 312,000. Don't forget to write 312,000. And the last is 414. 414. Clear, students? Is it clear? I hope everyone understood well. Very easy. So I have solved for you first, 4th, 7th, 9th and 10th, which are very hard. Now the remaining are very easy. You can solve by your own in the same way you solve. Okay? See, when you practice the maths, you feel very easy. When you don't practice, you feel every sum is hard. Every sum is very easy, but those will make you confused. So that's why I have taken different types of sums for you. Let's move for the next question. We'll start our exercise 1.8 B question. See, what is the B question? In that first they had given how many thousands make lakh. See, something different. Try to. For solving these questions, you should know proper place value chart of Indian place value chart and international place value chart. I will explain you through the chart only, so you will understand how much the place value chart is important for you to solve this question. See, keep in your mind, you are having text, canopy in front of you. Just look at the canopy for the question, how many thousands make a lakh? I will explain here through the chart. What is the question? How many thousands make a lakh? What they said, how many thousands? See, here is a 1000. Okay, they asked how many thousands make a lakh. Here 1000 is there. Okay, the next what will happen? Till when we want to make how many thousands make lakhs, so we have to see how many thousands we can make in lakhs. So 1 means 1000, the next 10,000. So here what will happen? 10 thousands. Okay, then after that, see, 1, 10, the next what will come? 10. I hope you remember. 10 thousands means only 1 lakh. Do you remember? We have learned. But what we did in Indian place value chart, we convert into lakhs. Okay, but then too I am explaining in this way. So see, the place value chart is very important. 1000 in 1000 place, when it will go to 10,000 place, it convert into 10. And again, if I want to convert in the lakhs, how many thousands I have to take? 100. Are you getting? So what is the answer here? Our answer is 100. Getting clear? Is it clear? So how many thousands make a lakh? 100 thousands. 100 thousands will make lakh. Okay? So how you will cross check this? Whether it is correct? 100 thousands I said. So thousands multiplied by 100. If you do this is very lengthy, but still I want to tell you. Okay? So here you have to learn the zeros magic. You know now that? See, 2 zeros are there, 3 zeros are there. So write all together 5 zeros. Okay? And what is remaining? 1 multiplied by 1. See, can you see the number? 1 lakh. So we can say now with the proof, with the calculation that in 1 lakh how many thousands are there? 100 thousands. Clear everyone? I hope very clear. Now I will tell you next question. Okay? First we have completed. How many tens make a lakh? Now see, they are asking about the tens. I will show you through the place value chart only. How many tens? See, where is tens? Here is tens. First we will start with tens means 1 tens means 1 tens. So till where we have to come? In the lakhs place. So 10 tens means 100. Okay, 100 tens means 1000. Okay, and 1000 tens means 10,000, and the next is 10,000 tens means lakh. Are you getting, students? 1 tens, okay, as it is I have written. Then 10 tens make 100, 10 tens make 100, and 100 tens make 1000, 1000 tens make 10,000, and 10,000 tens make 1 lakh. So what is the answer here? How many tens make a lakh? 10,000. Okay, is it clear? Second one? Yes. Now I'll go to the third one. How many lakhs make crore? Let us see. How many lakhs? See, where is the lakhs place? Here. Start from here, from the lakhs place. How many lakhs make crore? Here 1 lakh and 10 lakhs make 10 lakhs, and when we want to see the crore place, 100 lakhs together, 100 lakhs means 1 crore. Are you getting? See, so what is the answer? 100. What is our fourth number question? How many lakhs make a million? See, now lakhs period million we have to see means we will go to international place value chart. Now see, just compare. 6 digit means lakh. Here 6 digit has having 100,000. Same, but writing is different. So here will come lakh. So I will start writing here 1. So we want to make lakhs. How many lakhs make million? So million is next to this only. So automatically 10 lakhs means 1 million. So what is the fourth one answer? 10. Getting? Now turn the page, canopy page number 14. Now see the fifth one question. How many millions make a crore? Now they are talking about millions. Okay. Now how many millions make a crore. Now see million and crore. Million is having 7 digit and 10 lakh is having 7 digits. So I'll go here million. Okay. Million means here how many millions make a crore. Here 1 million and crore, when it will go to crore place, it became 10 millions make 1 crore. So the fifth one answer is 10. Now we will see the last one, that is sixth one. How many hundreds make a lakh? They are asking how many hundreds make a lakh. 100 and lakh. Now we will see in the Indian place value chart. 100, 100 make 100 only. Okay, how many hundreds make a lakh? So we will go till lakh one by one. Here 1, 10 100 makes 1000, 100 makes 10,000. Okay, and the next is 1000. So 1000 lakhs are there in 100. Clear, students? Till here? Very easy. So for solving these questions, you should know properly the place value chart of Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Okay. Practice these sums in your rub book. Now remaining C and D question we will see in our next session. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.